combine up to the other farm. We're most of the way now, there now. I don't want to speak too soon, but we've had an alright run so far. Yeah, so we're going up to the other farm to start the barley. So that's ready to cut now. Seeing a few other combines going on our travels. This combine does 40k on the road, so it flies along for a combine. Cruise down the middle of the road. Catching the escort up. Catching you up.
Yeah. Speedy.
Might slow down and go around this corner in case there's a motorbike coming. So I'm taking up most of the road.
All clear around the bend anyway.
Alright, cheers. Yeah, so if you didn't already know, this is obviously a John Deere T670i. So yeah, a 6-walker machine. So yeah, and I have a 30-foot header to go on the front. I've got to bring that up in a bit. When we go back to the farm, I'll go back and get the header. So yeah. Typical though, you know, we get the combine out of the shed and they start forecasting showers after we've just had a month of no rain, or 6 weeks.
Clear right over the brow now.
Copy. Yeah, we're just about to gonna get up the top of this hill and then we're going to cut down through our neighbour's farm to get to our farm.
Road still clear.
Spot on, cheers. Yeah, we've seen a few people cutting barley. We haven't seen anyone cutting rape, and I haven't heard of anyone cutting rape yet. It's the 13th today. No, it's the 12th today. We're on Thursday. Oh, car coming. Ooh. This could be interesting. Hopefully it'll just get up the bank and get out of the way. No. It's going to sit there, are you? Mercedes. I'm sure you got four-wheel drive. Come on, get out the bank, love. You'll be alright. Don't panic. Oh, I'm in the hedge. Get out of the hedge. That's the trouble with the combine, because it's rear steer. As soon as you turn it, turn it, the back of the combine goes in the hedge. Alright, let's get off this road quick before something comes flying over the hill. We'll probably have to go and help the old man open the gates. I think you'll be alright. Looks like there. Swing freely. I wouldn't trust the handbrake on that truck. when you were opening the gate, it was rolling a little bit.
Okay, I'll remember that.
I suddenly looked across and thought, why is it bloody moving?
I bet it would be interesting to see how quick you could get out of the combine, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I would have just reversed the combine up and backed it into the Land Rover. Oh yeah. I take it we've got to shut these. Didn't have the mic in. Right. Hopefully that'll be better. I didn't have the microphone plugged in. Right. Oh shit, the steps. Don't want to do that. Right. Mike's about to fall off. Yeah, so it gets a bit steep down here.
You copy, Andrew?
Yeah, copy.
I was wondering that track's getting steeper.
Yeah, I don't feel too good.
Still up.
See what happens if I put my hill master on. There we go, that. Because this combine's got a hill master. So, just turn that on. So now I'm going down the steep slope, level. Going sideways. Right, I'll get you back on in a minute when I'm starting combining. Good morning, everybody. How are we all doing? Whoa. Yeah, so I got my combine going. We're on Saturday now. Saturday the 15th. We attempted to do some combining yesterday on Friday the 13th, and it didn't last very long. It rained. So yeah, I probably did about 10 acres or something like that. it rained. We had a shower of rain, and that was it. So yeah, I was pretty cheesed off about that. I ended up with a dusty wet combine, dusty wet tractor. So yeah, but yeah, no. Moving on. Today, the weather's a lot better. And we're rattling through some winter barley. I'm doing 4.5 kilometres an hour, so that's cruising really. You know, you can go along 4.5 and barely drop a grain. When you start getting up sort of like 5.5, then you start getting losses. But you got to take into account of how much more ground you're covering. But no, it's still early days yet, so we'll go nice and steady and try not to drop any grain on the floor. So yeah, I did record some footage yesterday of me starting off and everything, but so I don't think I had the mic plugged in properly, so the audio was right up the spout. It wasn't good at all, and I've just done a tester on my phone, and that sounded fine. So the only thing I can think is I didn't have the mic adapter plugged into the camera properly. It was making some right funny noises when I put it on the computer last night. Yeah, so no, that would have worked out well if I could have done it last night, because I would have edited it and then I would have had it up, published it Sunday evening. But now I'm probably going to be working till 10 tonight, so whether I'll actually go home and edit this or not, and then get it up for Monday evening, because it takes like, my internet's pretty slow. It takes me about to upload a 30-minute video. It probably takes about 30 hours to upload, give or take a bit. Yeah, my internet's a bit slow. So yeah, so no, it's going well today. Just want to say hello to all my new subscribers. I keep getting them flashing up on my phone. You know, at least one every half an hour, which is brilliant. Since and the mowing video as well. That's had what, 4,000 views on it since last Sunday, which is crazy. I think that's my it's the most successful video with the for the quickest amount of views on it in a short space of time. And I've also gained probably, I think it's like 160 subscribers since then, might be even more now, 180. So yeah, thanks for subscribing, everybody. Hope you enjoy the videos. And yeah, this is the beginnings of harvest 2018. The straw is not quite fit. I mean, it's a bit pink in the bottom for some reason, which I think is probably something to do with the way it's gone off in the heat. The grains are quite small, which is to do with the weather. But there's quite a lot of grain, so, and it's only feed barley, so hopefully the fact there's quite a bit will make up for the size of the grain. just working off this short work up this end of the field. Just let the straw come out the back. What is the baler man telling me off? Saying 15% moisture. Should be good. And it is saying it's yielding 10 tonnes to the hectare, but the yield monitor is not calibrated, so I don't think it's quite doing that. That's my 6190R, and I'm going to load him up. So on this combine we've got a short unloading auger, unloading spout, so that the trailer runs between the swath of straw and the header, so we don't run on the straw, you know, squash it down. If you squash it down and then it gets wet, it's a lot harder to get dry. So yeah, the only thing is it starts to drive pretty close to the header. So yeah, it's not for the faint-hearted. Yeah, and that trailer's a 14-ton trailer, SF14. When he pulls up past the header, there's literally probably 6 inches between the tyre and the guard on the end of the header. Not a lot of room for error.